into another video here on Squad in Quads, and today we're going to unbox the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This is DJI's latest flagship camera drone, and it does have, on paper, a lot of improvements over the Mini 4 Pro, and a couple of them over the DJI Mavic 4 Pro as well. But that's on paper, so the question is, will that translate to real world? Well, there's only one way to find out, isn't there? Let's get it open and have a look. Now, for anybody who is wondering about the Mini 4 Pro, I no longer use that drone. And you guys might be thinking, well, that's DJI's best ever flagship drone. There was a few issues with it, and I did allude to them. The fact that we had a lower bit rate than ProRes on the Cine 3 Pro. One of the other issues as well was just how much you could tilt the camera, especially in vertical mode. It was like 10 degrees. It was completely pointless. So there was that. Do we need to? No. Okay, let's put this knife away for safety. So there was that. And then there was just a couple of other problems. And to be honest with you, I don't use it anymore. So if I need something of extreme quality, we get out the Mini 3 Cine. No, sorry. Try again. The DJI Mavic 3 Cine. So there's your unboxing done. But it's not really that simple, is it? Let's have a look at the rest of it. So first of all, you get this lovely carry bag with it. This is quite standard now with all DJI Minis that come with the Fly More kit. Okay, and in here is the creme de la creme. First of all, let's take a look at what we got. Marked turning point for DJI, because generally speaking, in the Fly More bundles, you will get one that has a screen. I couldn't see an option as of today, the 17th of September, the 17th of September. I couldn't actually see an option anywhere that made that available to anybody. So just bear that in mind. If you want the screen, you're probably going to have to buy it separately or wait for another bundle to come out from DJI. So in here we have first of all, we've got loads of spare props. Got a couple of cables, which we're going to need potentially to plug in. I don't think there are any cables in the controller. Yep, so we'll go through that setup in another video. Then here we have the ND filters. And straight away you're going to notice a little bit of a difference. First of all, how much bigger they are to accommodate that 1-inch sensor. You've got an ND8, an ND32 and an ND128. Probably won't use the 128 much in the UK weather. It's not a full range of ND filters, because ideally I'd like a 16 and a 32, but it is what it is. That's what we've got for now, and that's what comes with the Fly More. We've also got in here, so you've got a recharging station and a couple of extra batteries as well. And they just slot in there like that. Now, I'm reliably informed the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the DJI Mini 4 Pro batteries will also work in here and in the drone as well. Boy, Wonder says that's smart. It's not a normal move by DJI. DJI will normally lock you out, so it's good to see. Right, let's have a look in here. Just making sure we've got everything else out first. So there is the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Now let's just take this. Every year the sort of prop protector seems to get more and more complex. Let me just turn this camera down a little bit. So we've got that to peel off from there. We've got that to pull out from there. And that we can see there the massive 1-inch sensor on there. You've got your LiDAR detector there, which means it will fly in the dark, it will fly, it'll return home without GPS as well for extra safety if it loses GPS in the event of anything like that happening. You've got obviously your camera sensors underneath there, you've got camera sensors on top there, and that's for on your controller when you can see the additional views. Then at the back there you've got the charging port and the SD card. Now I believe, and I'll have to double check, I believe it's got 42 gigabyte of internal storage on this thing. So again, that's something I quite often forget to take with me, is enough, well, sometimes any SD cards, ask only drones, he'll know.
Also, can I say something?
Yes, Boy Wonder.
The props look really, really easy to change.
They do.
Like,
So normally
pull off and put on.
on the Minis series, you've got to get a screwdriver, you've got to start screwing. These now follow suit of all the others by just pushing down and using that sort of push fit that all of the bigger drones. So you've got a lot of trickle down technology in this, and we're going to have a look at that as we go forwards and test it and stuff. But that so before the raft of tutorials and beginner videos starts, I just wanted to show a little comparison off between the Mini 4 Pro and the Mini 5 Pro from DJI. And this is what they both look like from above. And from the back side, you can even see this has still got the sticker on it. This actually didn't have a sticker on it. It makes me very sad. This has done several thousand flights and it's still got the sticker on it. Makes me very, very sad, DJI. And then finally, a quick side-on view of the Mini 4 Pro and the Mini 5 Pro. Guys, an initial unboxing of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you've got any questions whatsoever, please do leave them in the comments down below. Yeah.
The props are also colour-coded, so those are of corners and those are not. That's smart.
I'm going to let Boy Wonder know something now. DJI have always done that.
Oh.
For like ever. Okay, so if you've got any questions whatsoever, please leave them in the comments down below. This is a first look unboxing of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This video should be out on the 17th, depending. I may be asked to hold off and delay it. And then over the coming days, we're going to release more and more and more videos for you. Peace out, everybody.
But I really thought